Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track changes, how to accept changes and stop tracking, and how to reject changes and stop tracking. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, I wrote this paragraph. I want to track the changes in this paragraph. For example, if I send this paragraph to someone else, to some expert, so I need some expert opinion. So obviously he will make some changes. So if I want to track the changes, so I will activate the option track changes. I will go to the review tab. You can see there is a tracking option, track changes. Click here and very first option, track changes. Now my track changes option has been activated. If I try to make any changes, for example, instead of 2, if I delete it and write from, now this change has been recorded. You can see on left hand side there is a red bar. If I click on this one, so it will show me the what was the original word was to, and I change it to from. So if I just click on this bar again, so the original word will not be visible anymore. So this is how you activate the track changes option. Now, second thing is how to accept changes and stop tracking. For example, you made changes in your paragraph. For example, again, instead of from, I would write for. So I made 2 changes in this paragraph and I want to accept these changes and stop tracking. So I'll again go to review tab. You can see that changes option. First option is accept. Click on this one. Very last option is accept all changes and stop tracking. So I click on this one. So all the changes has been accepted and now it won't track any further. So it has stopped tracking now. If I press Ctrl Z, so it will take me back. Third one is how to reject changes and stop tracking. For example, I'm not happy with the changes. So what I will do, I want to reject the changes and then stop tracking. So again, there is a reject option in changes. So if I click on this one, last option is reject all changes and stop tracking. There is other option as well, reject all changes, reject and move to the next. I want reject all changes and stop tracking. Click on this one. So now all the changes have been rejected. The original word have come back again. You can see this word from, it has come back again. To word, it has come back again. So this is how you apply track changes, accept changes, or reject changes. I really hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.